Welcome to the Unwritten PhD. I'm Dr. Kshitij Tiwari, and this podcast is a guide to the messy, human side of a doctoral degree that no one ever puts in a textbook. The literature review is the black hole of the PhD. You start reading one paper, which cites 3 others, then you read those, they cite 10 others, and suddenly it's 3 a.m., you have 50 tabs open, and you have forgotten what your PhD is even about. You are drowning in data, but starving for insight. Stop reading, stop going down the rabbit hole, start synthesizing. In today's episode, we are discussing the literature review strategy, how to tame the beast without losing your mind. Most students think a literature review is like a list. Smith said X, Jones said Y, and so on. This is boring, and honestly, it is wrong. A lit review is an argument. It is you standing on the shoulders of the giants, pointing at one thing they all missed. And today, I'll show you how to build that argument without reading every paper ever written on Earth. First, use the funnel strategy. Start broad. Ask what is the field, go narrower. Ask what is the subproblem, go specific. Ask what is the gap. Your lit review funnel should iteratively filter and point the reader directly to your research question. If a paper doesn't fit in the funnel, throw it out. Save it for another paper. Second, use the matrix method. Do not use sticky notes. Do not start printing out piles of paper to stack up on your desk. Use a matrix like Excel or Notion. In fact, I already shared a free template before. Create columns for paper names, methodology, key findings, limitations, and the bib entry. The rows are the papers. This allows you to see trends across papers. You can say, all these 5 papers use method A, but ignored variable B. Boom, suddenly you found a gap. This is where you contribute. Third, synthesize. Don't summarize. Bad writing is Smith found A, Jones found B, whereas good writing is while Smith found A, Jones incorrectly argued B because of limitation C. You are the narrator. You are the judge. Don't just report what they said, evaluate it. Connect the dots for the readers. Don't make them do the homework. And finally, stop reading. Every PhD scholar at some point in the literature review phases wonders, when do they even stop reading? Well, there comes a point of diminishing returns. If you're seeing the same names, the same citations, and the same arguments over and over, you are done for this phase. Stop reading. Start writing. You can always read one more paper later if a reviewer asks, but you can't write a thesis if you never stop reading. A good lit review makes the readers say, wow, this problem is huge and nobody has solved it yet until now. It sets the stage for your hero entrance. Next time, we talk about time. How to find time to write when you have experiments, teaching, and life. Productivity hacks for the exhausted PhD scholar. Pomodoro's deep work, saying no, and a lot more. See you there. If you are a current or aspiring PhD scholar or a beginner in the world of robotics, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow this podcast diligently. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you. This has been the Unwritten PhD. See you in another episode.